Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Jianghu Chronicles game on your PC. So let's get started. Guys, first you have to open up your main browser and just search for the Steam. Now we are going to download this game on this Steam. Just open up the first website you are seeing on the top, which is the steam.com. Now here guys, just click on the login option you are seeing on the right hand top, and once you click on that, here you just need to sign into your account. And if you don't have an account, then just simply create one. After you created the account, click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. And guys, here you just need to download the Steam and simply install it into your PC. And guys, this is very simple and easy process. Once you install the Steam, just open it, log in and click on the search box and just type here the Jianghu Chronicles game. And guys, this game will appear on the top just like so. Just click on this game to open it. And guys, over here you just need to scroll down and you will see the add to cart option. And guys, here you can just pay the $10 to buy this game. Click on the view my cart option you are seeing here. Guys, here click on the continue to payment option, and then you have to simply pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. And guys, once you pay the amount, click on the library option you are seeing on the top. And here on the left hand side, you will find the game which is the Jianghu Chronicles. Just click on that, click on the install, and then guys, start downloading and installing into your PC. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is the only motivation for me. And I will see you guys in the next video.